So what we want to discuss today are the lessons from private emails of Sam Altman of OpenAI and Elon Musk from 2015 till date. So these private emails are today available, and there are so much insights on how these people think and how they negotiate. And there are a lot of lessons for us. So has anybody seen first email? This was the email sent by Sam Altman to Elon Musk on May 25, 2015 at 9:10 p.m. Can somebody read it?
Been thinking a lot about whether it's possible to stop humanity from developing AI. I think the answer is almost definitely not. If it's going to happen anyway, it seems like it would be good for someone other than Google to do it first. Any thoughts on whether it would be good for YC to start a Manhattan project for AI? My sense is we could get many of the top 50 to work on it, and we could structure it so that the tech belongs to the world via some sort of non-profit, but the people working on it get startup like compensation if it works. Obviously, we would comply with aggressively support all regulation. Sam,
एक बार Elon Musk का reply भी बता दो.
probably worth a conversation.
Worth the conversation, right? Clear. But what are the highlights? What is the lesson you can learn from this particular snippet if I tell you? Anybody?
There are no salutations or basic conversations going on like hi, hello.
To the point. Okay. No English basically. Okay. As we say, don't speak English, speak maths. What else?
Very to the point conversation, sir.
To the point, no English, pure maths. What else?
They are planning to do it before Google, like.
Very clear messaging. He knows how to excite the other person. फालतू की इधर की बातें नहीं. He said AI is anyways gonna be developed. Why Google is leading the internet search revolution? He's like, why let Google lead it? I have access to world's top researchers. We'll bring it online. You are one of the top-notch persons in the world. You being Elon Musk. You have all the funds and all the fame. Can we come together and do something to create the next big thing in AI? Which today you know as ChatGPT, but this is 2015. Yeah.
Yes.
और क्या इसमें आ रहा है?
Directly proposing a collaborative approach with YC, like Manhattan Project.
What is Manhattan Project? Anybody knows?
That gave birth to the first nuclear bomb.
The project that gave birth to first nuclear bomb, right? When they discovered that formula of atom bombs. हाँ, that was misused. जो हिरोशिमा नागासाकी में World War II में when bombs were dropped, that was misused. So they are like Manhattan Project for AI. So referencing, analogy, something which has happened in the past, उसी से नेम करके आप अपनी चीज को कर दो. Focus on this line. My sense is we could get many of the top 50 to work on it, and we could structure it so that the tech belongs to the world via some sort of non-profit, but people working on it get startup like compensation.
Like incentives for developers.
See, और कोई?
The mail has no formal format.
So he's writing as if he's thinking. So very candid. He's like कि ऐसा कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं कि पैसे स्टार्टअप वाले मिले because not for profit नहीं he cannot build, and he's telling to Elon Musk very candidly. कोई final structure ready नहीं है, but he's like yeah, tech belongs to the world via non-profit, but people own this, but people get startup like compensation.
सर एक डाउट और है कि ये जो लाइन है ऑब्वियसली वी डू कंप्लाई स्लैश अग्रेसिवली सपोर्ट ऑल रेगुलेशन, इससे सैम सर क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
Interesting point. See, Elon Musk was openly known to support responsible and safe AI. 2015 में ये बहुत रिसर्च चल रही थी कि AI should be developed, but whether to put funding on it or not. So there were some people who were funding AI, but उनका image ऐसा था कि they are supporting safe AI. So he is like, we will definitely comply with regulations to appeal to Elon Musk and to appeal to Elon Musk's interests. So you should know सामने वाले का interest क्या है. Although this mail is first mail from Sam to Elon about OpenAI, तब तक OpenAI नाम भी नहीं रखा था. आगे देखो, आगे आएगी वो चीज़, पूरी स्टोरी. तब तक OpenAI नाम भी नहीं रखा था. But he knew Elon Musk, na? So he knows what he stands for.